Today I wanted to test the engraving capabilities in Fusion 360. So right here I'm just trying to see where my Z is so I can probe accurately for the Z. Now there is going to be profanity here, so friends, family, if you don't want to see swear words, this might not be the movie for you. And then I just eyeballed the X and Y, setting it manually in the mill, and enjoy the engraving. Cheers.
Missing the S. Good thing I don't give a. Not bad.